Hi, we received this Batana oil shampoo as a gift from Agodafoo so that we could try it out, give our opinion about it, just talk a little bit about it. Batana oil, first of all, is good, for rejuvenating and stimulating hair growth. So I am very excited to try it out. I'm 26 years old, but I do have a little bit of receding hair up in the corners of my hair here, so I'm excited to get it on and see if it can maybe help it move down a little bit. This shampoo also has rosemary oil in it, and coconut extract, castor oil, as well as ginger extract. So a lot of ingredients, a lot of things to help to grow the hair, to help hair health, and everything like that. So I'm going to open it up. We'll try out the smell, see how it smells. It's a very good smell. I enjoy it. Like I said, it's got that rosemary extract in it too. Good. Yeah, I got my nose so close that I tried it out. Yeah, it has a little bit of foam when you put it in your hair, but not too much foam, so it's not like insane suds all in your eyes, but it also gets all sudsy. So we recommend it. Try it out. Thanks.